Welcome, here I've got Motorola Edge 20 Lite and let me show you how to turn on and off device watermark in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button to open the camera settings. Now we have to tap to Photos category and we can find at the last position the watermark, with device watermark option at the second place. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. When we have it turned it on, we have short preview how it looks like at the read picture. Let me keep it like that now and let's check out how it looks like at my photo. So let's take a picture and move to the right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. So this is my photo with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. Let's get closer to it. So as you can see, shot on Motorola Edge 20 Lite. And of course when we don't need it, we have to move back to the camera, to the right corner settings, then Photos category, watermark, and turn it off by using the button from the right. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.